Orlando Fringe Festival participants. We are members of the Jane Austen Society of North America, Orlando region, or Central Florida region, and we are going to teach you how to make a paper boat today. We are the Prohaska family. I am Jen. This is Ellie and Alec. They're going to be my helpers today. We're going to show you how to make paper boats. Yay. So what we did is we're going to make paper boats out of things that you can find around the house. You can use notebook paper. You could use paper that you would use in a printer, and it's 8.5 size by 11. And what I did was I took a magazine that I had. I took the Jane Austen Society of North America newsletter, and I removed the staple and I cut it in half, and so it gives me the perfect size paper that I can make a little boat out of. And it's nice thick paper. It's a little thicker than notebook paper that you'd find. So what we're going to do is we're going to go step by step, and we're going to make little paper boats.
This is the end result.
Yay! We'll be able to float it. So what you want to do is you want to start out and make a hot dog fold in your paper. So you match up the corners.
It's like this?
Yeah, it's long ways. Okay. So you imagine a hot dog bun. So you go corner to corner, and you make a crease along the edge.
A crease like this.
Nice and loud squeak there.
Nice.
You got it, Ellie? Yes? Okay. So then you flatten the paper back out.
What? But we already made a crease.
That's okay.
It's like a book.
We're going to use it as a guide for us. So then you take the top and you fold it down towards you. Once again, you match up the corners, and you're going to make what's called a hamburger fold. It's more like a hamburger bun.
Can we eat it? Delicious.
Delicious hamburgers. Okay, once again, nice loud squeak as you
That wasn't as loud as the first.
Sharpen the crease. Okay, so your next step is you're going to take the top corners, and using the middle part as a guide, you fold the corner down towards that line.
Like this?
Exactly.
I'm assuming we do it to this side too?
We do it to this side too.
Nice.
Excellent thinking, Alec. Now you can see it's like a triangle, and on the bottom you have a tail. We're going to fold the tail up over the triangle. So you kind of have the two flaps.
Like
so
this?
You take the top flap and you fold it up under the triangle.
Okay.
You got it? Alex has it too. Then you turn it over and you make another fold up from that little tail.
This is loud.
It is loud squeaking. So then we're going to pick this up with the tail on top, so you kind of open it up.
It's a hat.
Not a hat. So now we're going to squish those together. And when you squish them together,
like you take it and go like that?
you do. You make a nice square out of it, and then you've got these flaps like this. So these flaps that are sticking out, you take one and you fold it into the other. One over the other. And then you turn it around so that that folded part
It's
is
like this?
close to you. Yes. And then, once again, you're going to fold these up towards the top. Got it? Towards the top, pointy. Then flip it over.
No.
No what?
It was like crinkled.
Okay. It's okay if it's not 100% perfect. It'll be close.
There we go.
And then you turn it over.
Oh.
There you go.
We do it again?
Yes, and you fold it up, so it's going to be a nice little compact triangle there.
It's a triangle.
Mm-hmm.
It's got 3 angles.
Triangle does mean 3 angles.
Try.
Math
Wait.
with Alec.
Wait, I just realized what that meant.
Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to turn it over, and you kind of put it in your hand like a taco. Like you have a taco shell.
I got the taco, yum.
And then once again, you open this part, and you're going to squish it together to make a nice
This is
square.
the second time we've done
What
that.
shape is
We
that?
did it here
Exactly.
and we did it here.
Okay, so now that you've got that, then you turn that over, and these triangular parts. Oh,
These?
flip it over. There you go. You kind of pinch them and you pull them open. So make a boat. And this part in the middle is not going to be perfect, so you can take your finger underneath and kind of poof it up.
What?
Let me see.
What is this?
Ta-da! See? So it's like a little sail in the middle.
Hey, this one's good. Oh gosh.
That turned out very well, Alec. And
Yeah.
Ellie, yours looks great too.
Yeah.
All right, so now we've folded our boats. Let's go sail them in the pool.
Nice. Let's do this.
Here are our boats. We're going to set sail.
Yay. Off goes the Titanic.
Ta-da!
Yeah, it's the Titanic. It's sinking. Nice. Oh no, it's going under. Oh gosh. Nice.